Rachel, come on, talk to me, please.
I can't even look at you right now.
What?
Nothing.
Rachel said everything was okay. What are they talking about?
Rachel,
Just get away from me.
it was a mistake. I made a mistake, okay?
A mistake? What were you trying to put it in? Her purse?
Where did he put it?
Ross, you had sex with another woman.
Oh, my God.
Oh, I knew something had to be wrong because my fingernails did not grow at all yesterday.
Yeah, well, I guess they had a fight and he got drunk.
You guys knew about this and you didn't tell us?
He had sex and we get hit in our heads.
You know what? I want you to leave. Get out of here. Just get out now.
No, I want to stay. I want to talk about this.
Okay. All right. How was she?
Uh-oh.
What?
Was she good?
Don't answer that.
Come on, Ross. You said you wanted to talk about it. Let's talk about it. How was she?
She was...
Awful.
She was
horrible.
not good.
Nothing compared to
She was different.
Uh-oh.
Good? Different?
Nobody likes change.
What? Okay.
Should we do something?
Yeah, never cheat on Rachel.
I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. I was disgusted with myself, and this morning I was so upset, and then I got your message, and I was so happy, and all I wanted was to get her out of my apartment as fast as possible.
Whoa, wait a minute. What time did your little friend leave? Oh my God, she was there. She was still there? She was in there when I was in there? Oh, just
Listen, hey, the important thing is she meant nothing to me.
And yet she was worth jeopardizing our relationship.
Look, I didn't think there was a relationship to jeopardize. I thought we were broken up.
We were on a break.
That, for all I knew, could last forever. That, to me, is a break up.
You think you're gonna get out of this on a technicality?
Look, I'm not trying to get out of anything, okay? I thought our relationship was dead.
Well, you sure had a hell of a time at the wake.
You know what? I don't think we should listen to this anymore.
What are you doing? We can't go out there.
Why not? I'm hungry.
Because they'll know we've been listening.
God, and to have to hear about it from Gunther.
Come on, like I wanted him to tell you, I ran all over the place trying to make sure that didn't happen.
Oh, that is so sweet. I think I'm falling in love with you all over again.
You know what? I think we can go out there. I mean, they have more important things to worry about.
Yeah, we'll be fine.
Look, Rachel, I wanted to tell you. I thought I should. I did, and then Chandler and Joey convinced me not to.
Wax the door shut. We're never leaving up.
Hi, it's Phoebe. Listen, someone's gonna have to take my 9 o'clock with Mr. Rehack because it's like 9:15 now and I'm not there.
Don't you realize none of this would ever have happened if I didn't think at that same moment you were having sex with Mark?
All right. Let's say I had slept with Mark. Would you have been able to forgive me?
Yes, I would.
You'd be okay if you knew that Mark had kissed me and been naked with me and made love to me.
Yes.
If you knew that our hot, sweaty, writhing bodies were...
Okay, yeah, I would have been devastated, but I would still want to be with you. Because it's you.
Aww.